Hi, my name is Michael Starford. I'm a product manager working for the hardcover division of Muller Martini. We are based here in Germany, but maritime, and you're here in the factory where we are having an open house for the anniversary of the Diamant, which has been launched 10 years ago. Now, here you find a book line, which is a new version where we combine the digital mode with the traditional mode, and we're calling this the Digital MC hybrid machine. Now we're here right at the base of our book line Diamant MC hybrid. What I would like to show you here is the rounding and backing station, which is one of the features for a good quality book, as you can see here as a finished book with the rounding and backing very neat in the case. Here in this section you have the rounding station where the book block is rounded. Now the book block who is rounded would go back to square if you don't back it and encapsulate the signatures. So in this area here you will have the backing where twice backing to each side is done. Now after the rounding and backing we're coming to the section where the headbanding is done, and we believe we've got here something new and something unique which we are showing the first time on this open house. As you can see, we're not only having one headband station, we have two. Now what does this mean? We can do faster changeovers, fast setups to certain jobs. For example, you'll see here a backing roll and here also one with two different formats. So we can already adjust and do a setup while the production is running with two different formats to keep down the changeover times. Also, for long runs of customers, what we can do is we can change the rollers of the headbands while the machine is running. Or if you have customers who have a job where they have to have different applications and different headbands, colors or whatever, this can be done. You don't have to exchange these things. Now after we have a changeover done on the two headband stations, we also would like to optimize the case decollation system. So also here we believe we've got something special. So now you can have up to 3 jobs on the case decollation system. Automatically it's going to be fed in when one job is ready and everything is done on the run. Now after the cases have been separated, we're coming to the point where we have to bring the book block together with the case. This happens in this area, in the casing in area. It has been changed tremendously to the former Diamant. We have now here 7 servo motors, which give us a benefit that we can case in the book block and the case very tight. Also, the hub, which the rub down device is doing, depends on the format. So it's not going the whole way from bottom to top if you have, for example, an A6 format. Now after we have been through the whole process with this machine, and at the beginning we said we have a new concept also with a digital mode, now we want to show you a changeover where the machine is running, everything is set up, we've got certain different book blocks, we've got 10 thin book blocks, 10 thicker book blocks, 10 thinner book blocks, all the same format, and we're running them without a changeover. Now I want to come back to this digital mode and I want to show you what this means. For example, we have a thin book block which we're going to place in and case in first. Then we're going to move to a book block which has 1.5 millimeters more thickness. After this, we're going to go back to 1.5 millimeters, and everything is done without any changeovers. Just place it in. It's a sequence drive, and we call it real digital. So now we'll just have to do one thing. We have to move on and collect our books from the stacker. Now at the end, after the casing in, we've got the most important part to have the absolute fantastic quality. We're doing the joint forming and pressing. What you see here is the EP680, and the speciality is that we're bringing in the books simultaneously, always 2 at a time. Therefore, we can reduce the mechanical speed half, and the timing or the time for the pressing is doubled. So each book is minimum 6 seconds in the clamp. Not only this is necessary for good quality, also we're doing a full surface pressing That means we're going from edge to edge of the board with a full surface, and the joint forming is then done with the heated rails and individually adjustable as you need it depending on the material. Now, as you can see, we're waiting here for our finished books. The first pile is coming out. That was the one with a thin book block to start off. We're waiting now for the next pile with a book block which is 1.5 millimeters more than this one. So here already the next stack is coming, and how you can see now, or you see here, the difference between these two piles. No changeover is done, just run it through the machines, different book blocks, same format, no problem. And of course, we're waiting for the last pile where we went back 1.5 millimeters, and this is the finished result.